Everybody, you know what this is, Jerome, B.F.A.M cooking. We are here to do fish. 1, 2, 3, fish. That's right. We're gonna serve you up some nice fish. I'm gonna do that over rice with some mixed vegetables. We're trying to do it in a Mediterranean style, so we're using a little bit of herbs and, of course, lots of citrus. Citrus is one of the great things that'll balance out your fish recipes and take away that what people like to call the fishy taste. We're gonna put that in the oven so I don't make too much of a mess. One pan dish, get that done, and then we're gonna serve that over rice. Can't wait for you to have this. Beautiful Branzino. Let's get started. You need to have lemons and oranges. That's our citrus flavor. That's the acid that's going to work on this fish. Here you see me zesting out lemons, and obviously next will be oranges. I believe we're going to do 3 lemons and 2 oranges fully zested out. You need to spread that on the meat side of the fish. So let's get that into a bowl. Hey, if you can help the channel out, please subscribe. If you love this content, please click on the link at the bottom and subscribe to B.F.A.M Cooking. We'd love to have you. So you can't have just one note. You need a little bit of garlic in there would be nice. And of course, some salt and some pepper. Generally, that's how we're gonna go with this particular fish. It's a white meat, so it's gonna taste great, but you just need to have a couple of, can't be one note. So add that garlic in. So I'm going to ask you to grab a bunch of thyme and add that also. It's not only a good color to add to your meat, but it adds a great flavor. So it's orange zest, you have a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and of course some thyme. So I got this fish from Costco. They do a 3-pack fish, and obviously, you know, a lot of people cook their Branzino whole, but that was not happening in my house. So what I was going to do is I was going to take the fillets off of each side, and that requires you cutting off the head and getting rid of it. I really don't like my food looking back at me, so I don't usually leave the heads on, or the tails. As you can tell, this is still a partly frozen fish. You don't want to be butchering any meat or at room temperature. It should be definitely close to frozen, but not exactly. Just thawing out. Should have some ice still in there. You want to keep it cold so it doesn't build up any of that bacteria. So here we're going to add the mixture, the zest mixture together, and put it on the meat side of the fish, on the internal side. Then we're going to place that zested side down in the container so we can roast it. What I'm laying that on top of the reserved oranges and lemons, just so that when it cooks in the oven, that it'll have some of the juices on both sides of the fish fillets. Now you could have done this already, but you need to preheat your oven to 450. Yeah, that's pretty high, but still, it's where it needs to be at. As I already said, you have lemons and oranges on the bottom. You're going to put lemons and orange on the top, along with some olive oil, or EVOO, and some salt on the skin side. And then top that with some more oranges and some more lemons and the reserved thyme that you have. You know, if you had a bunch of thyme, you didn't put it all in there, you put some in. Then put the rest on top. This is basically your finished dish. It's going to go in the oven approximately 15-20 minutes until it's fully roasted. You'll see it'll be nice and crispy on the outside, and when it comes out, it will be beautiful. Again, I'm serving this with rice and some mixed vegetables. It's going to be perfect for you. Please try this recipe. Roasted Branzino with citrus and thyme herbs. Looks good to me. I don't know about you. Yummy, yummy in my tummy, baby.